Welcome back. Today, it's a continuation of the truck project. Since the last video, we got the new truck in. Well, not the new truck, the salvage truck from Copart. The back frame turned out to be pretty bent, so I pulled off the truck bed. We got it checked out. It turned out, obviously, we needed to straighten some stuff to get it running. So I put the truck bed back on, took it to the body shop, got it back from the body shop. It's running a lot better now as far as the drivability. We're still missing that back tail light. So I got these suckers in yesterday off of Amazon. They're supposed to be pretty good LED lights. Now they're kind of a Jeep style, so it's not gonna look right. But I think I'm just gonna replace the tail lights that I have now because I don't plan on keeping the truck bed. But either way, we are going to be hooking these guys up so that I can get street legal, then get it registered and all that stuff so that I can start driving it. So that's the plan today, but winter never leaves apparently this year, so I'm gonna try to pull out the van and see if I can fit the truck in the garage. That way I can work not in the cold, because it is 4 a.m. and it is like 30 something degrees out there. So I will get that going. Alrighty, like I already said, our goal today is pretty simple, hopefully. We've got the stock lights that come in the truck. This side is all right. Hopefully this still works. I just pulled it out to get the bed out. This is where we had our impact, so we got totally smashed. So this is all that's left of the lights over there. And I thought, well, instead of trying to fix this and find another light fixture that's probably gonna be, you know, $20 or something for somebody that actually cares about what the lights look like, I just bought a set of these off of Amazon. LED lights replacements. They're usually used for a Jeep, but whatever. I'm gonna see if they work, and I'll just probably end up making some kind of a bracket to hold it in approximately the right spot, and then either leave this light in for now, depending on how much time I have, or put the other one on the other side, just kind of hold them both in with brackets so that I can get this truck street legal and get it going. And then eventually, when I have more time, I will build the flatbed portion and put the lights in a more permanent position. But for now, I'm gonna try to figure out how to go from here to here with this. I don't know too much about wiring, so let's see what we've got. And I'll use this old light as a reference, and hopefully it still works. So I'm gonna plug this thing back up and see where we are at. Okie doke, after some investigating, it turns out that we might need a different flasher, signal flasher for the truck. Apparently these old ones aren't built for LEDs, so if the internet isn't lying to me, then I just need to buy an LED capable signal flasher, which from what AutoZone says is what the one they normally carry is. So I just need to go pick up one of those, put that in, and then supposedly, I guess this will flash and signal, or no, it'll brake and signal. So I guess you'll hold the brake, and then whichever side is signaling will flash and the other one will stay constant. And right now we're getting that weird feedback loop, and when I press the brake, it just brakes and cuts off the signal. So trying to decide if I should leave this light in. I think I'm going to go ahead and change this one out though. But get them both wired up, make some brackets to hold them in place, go get a signal. Hopefully that's going to be the fix. If not, I'll just have to buy a separate signal light to add on and then run that wire separately. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. Get both these wired up-ish, rough wired up, get them in place, make some kind of bracket, probably out of whatever I have handy, And then in the morning, well, I guess it is morning, but later in the morning when the auto parts opens, I'll go get a flasher, which I don't know how much that is, but hopefully it ain't much. But anyway, I'll go pick one of those up and get that going, and then hopefully be able to take the truck in to get all the paperwork and stuff done at lunch. Alright, so here's the plan. I think I'm going to use these FHA straps that were lying around on the job site. I'll try to bend it a few times, basically attach it from here, bend it back that way. And we'll bolt it on, bolt this guy on there, kind of a little bit at an angle, I think, just so we get a little side visibility, and so it's not sticking out as far on this side. On the other side, where the body's not bent, it'll come out and pretty much fits in the cavity hole perfectly. But on this side, I don't want it like sticking out 4 inches because I'm all bent up, because it'll just look goofy. And aerodynamics, got to be good for the aerodynamics. So I'll probably angle it a little bit, and then probably about right there. That way if I have to put a signal, I can add the signal up on top. Something like that. So we'll get to it. Alrighty, we're back. Here's the plan. So we made this little bracket. Going to screw it on here and then drill some holes in it and put the light on there. So I'm going to try to just use these self-tapping sheet metal screws to put it in, because it'll be quick and easy. And then we can figure out something else later once we get a more permanent solution going. Put these in. I have a trusty 8mm here and an adapter for my impact. So get going. Here's the finished product for now. Got the light in. Put a couple self-tapping sheet metal screws on each side on this little bracket I rigged up. Just one of these little metal strap plates. 18 gauge, what is this, 1.5 by 9 inch strap plate. So I just bent that kind of into shape. I kind of wanted to get a little bit of angle so it's not sticking out as far. And that way you can also see a little bit from the side if you're coming from the side. Get a little bit of back and side. Again, right now I gotta go get a different signal flasher that works with LEDs. This is LED, the other one's incandescent. So I'm hoping when I plug that in, this will fix the brake signal light issue. If not, I'll see if they have a small signal light I can just tack on up here and wire that individually. And then I'll have my running and brake, reverse, and signal on top. So we'll see how that goes. They run like 17 bucks. So there's another $17 into our truck. We're running pretty tight on the budget. I think we've got $40 something left. There's a few check engine lights I was able to scan. They don't seem like they're anything serious. Most likely there's a leak on the vacuum hoses, and then one of the solenoids on the transmission transfer case is either loose or going out or something. So hopefully those are both pretty cheap to fix as well, but the truck's running, so I can go ahead and sell my other car, and then I'll have a little bit of money to fix these small issues and to start working on the truck bed. You know, cut it and figure out a frame for the flatbed, and then I'll move these lights. But hopefully today, get it going, get it registered, legal, drivable, rocking and rolling. So that's gonna wrap it up for this episode. Be sure to comment with if you know what this problem is. Let me know. I'll probably get it fixed today, but if not, if you know what's wrong with it, let me know. Subscribe to the channel. I'll have more videos working on this truck. I'll be working on some of my other cars now and then whenever problems pop up on them, but I have a lot of projects here in the house that I need to get done. I need to wrap up a few projects I've been working on, and then I've been wanting to make some more furniture, so I'm probably going to make some furniture, some kids' tables, and just little things here and there, see if I can sell some of that stuff and make a little extra money with the stuff I'm building anyway. So that's on the list, but yeah, I'll have some more projects coming, so make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when that stuff is coming out. Like this video if it's helped you. So yeah, that's it for now. Catch you next time.